Welcome to A.Celli Academy, where we provide professional training for your team. Today, we present the Packaging School. This program provides operators, programmers, and maintenance staff with the skills to operate our packaging system efficiently, enhancing speed, quality, and safety. Our key discussion points will be the general description of the machine and its features, the cleaning and maintenance procedures, the standard and special process functions, and much more. After completing this course, your team will have the ability to confidently use the A.Celli Packaging System, reduce machine downtime and increase quality, work in complete safety. The course runs for a full day with 2 4-hour sessions, and it can be modified to suit your needs. Ready to explore further? Book a call with us. Don't miss what's next. New videos coming soon.